Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss large language models, how it works, benefits, and the challenges associated with it. What is a large language model? A large language model, LLM, is a type of artificial intelligence, AI, that can process and generate text in a way that is similar to how humans do. They are trained on massive amounts of text data, which allows them to learn the patterns and relationships between words. This enables them to perform a variety of tasks, such as answering your questions in an informative way, even if they're open-ended, challenging, or strange, generating different creative text formats like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc., translating languages, summarizing text, writing different kinds of creative content. How do large language models work? LLMs are complex, but they basically work by 1. Encoding text. This involves breaking down the text into its component parts, such as words and phrases, and then representing them in a way that the computer can understand. 2. Understanding the relationships between words. LLMs use a variety of techniques to analyze the relationships between words in a sentence or paragraph. This helps them to understand the meaning of the text. 3. Generating text. Based on their understanding of the text, LLMs can then generate new text that is similar or related to the input text. Examples. You ask, write me a 4-line poem about laziness. The LLM might generate. In blankets cocooned, ambition takes flight. Procrastination's embrace, cozy and tight. Tomorrow's promises, a comforting sight. Laziness whispers, rest easy tonight. You ask, translate this sentence into Spanish. I would love a cup of coffee. The LLM might respond. Me encantaría una taza de café. You ask, summarize the main points of this article about climate change. The LLM will read the article and provide a summary of key facts and findings. What are the benefits of large language models? LLMs have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. They can be used to create more natural and engaging chatbots, to improve the accuracy of machine translation, and to generate new creative content. What are the challenges of large language models? LLMs are still under development, and they face a number of challenges. One challenge is that they can be biased, as they are trained on data that may be biased itself. Another challenge is that they can be easily fooled into generating incorrect or misleading information. Please like, comment, and subscribe the channel.